Hello guys, in today's video I do have the Motorola Signature phone and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the battery drain in this device. So the first thing that actually you have to do is open your phone, I need to have it unlocked, and once your device is unlocked, go to the settings. Here in the settings, scroll down to the battery, and once you see battery, you need to tap battery usage. Scroll down, and here, as you can see, they have last 24 hours. Here, Facebook. It doesn't really matter that this is the Facebook. If you see here an application that, if you tap it, you will see much bigger background activity than usual, than normally you'll expect. Here, tap don't allow, and do this for every single application you don't really care about notifications, and is here. Now this should fix it for you. If it doesn't fix the issue for you, go back here to the main list of the settings and scroll and find the application list. Apps. Here, see all apps, and now you need to select the applications that are the bloatware. We don't have here much bloatware on this device actually, as far as I know, because this is a flagship device, but we have YouTube Music, YouTube. Just tap and here force stop. For some applications uninstall, for some applications force stop. Instagram uninstall, over here and OK. Apart from that, I know that here we are here uninstalling all the applications, but we have here one simple thing. But let me just disable dark theme so that you can see it very well. We need to install one application. Go to the Play Store in your device over here, and let me just sign in really quickly. So as you can see here, I do have my Play Store, and now we need to tap here search. Once you tap search, you need to just search for the AccuBattery. Here, AccuBattery. As you can see, this is this first one from Digibytes. Here, tap install button, and now here, tap open. You can skip all that. Here, tap continue, finish, and now here, tap this top button. Open power optimization settings, tap AccuBattery, make sure that this is enabled. Go back, open app settings, open here up battery usage. You know, it wasn't here, it was where is that? Wait a moment, I need to find it. Here it wasn't permissions, it was okay, so it's actually this one. All background usage it has to be enabled. Now we can go back just here to the AccuBattery application, and now here, once you see it, here they have three sections: charging, discharging, health, and history. Here, by all these things, it's where you see the red after a week of using your phone. If it's red, if something is red, you need to go to the device support, company support, and tell them that you need your phone fixed. And this is an application to diagnose any battery actually errors, so you know they will cover it because this is a battery issue. And as a final tip from me to you is that you can hold the power and here into wait a moment power and volume up, restart, and your phone now will be started. And that's it about this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.